Hi, I'm Stephen McLean. I'm the head physiotherapist at Optimal Physio.
At Optimal Physio, we help active people aged 40 plus who live around Newton Mearns get back to enjoying running, golf or the gym without worrying about pain relief, making your injury worse or needing surgery. So if you've gone over your ankle, injured your Achilles or fed up running or walking with ankle, heel or foot pain, then we can help. If it's a repetitive injury that you've had for months, we need to understand what's causing it so we can resolve the injury for good and not just give you pain relieving treatment which manages your symptoms. I am delighted to announce that we are the first physiotherapy clinic in Scotland to bring you a cutting edge Footscan technology which enables dynamic gait analysis of how your foot performs during standing, walking and running. This technology links to the latest and most accurate 3D printing technology to provide you the lightest, most durable and most effective custom made insoles available on the market. This new technology is changing our practice and removing pain and suffering for those with foot and ankle pain. It's also helping prevent injury and improve comfort when you need it most. So what is gait analysis? Simply, it is measuring the forces that your foot has to cope with and transmit as your legs move. This helps our understanding of how your foot behaves and copes with this load. Any abnormal loading patterns are then easily identifiable so we can create a plan. Before this, we could only make custom orthotic insoles based on static measurements. Now we can do it based on dynamic assessment and have accurate information on how the foot is behaving when in contact with the ground. This information is linked directly to the Phits 3D printed insoles technology. Marathon legend Paula Radcliffe uses these, as does Matt Kuchar's Caddy. Previous methodologies are now dated and leave huge room for individual error. Without this technology, we just can't fully understand how the foot is behaving. This system not only now solves these issues, but also provides a reliable outcome measure to compare the effectiveness of treatments and assess you in standing, balancing, walking, running and squatting. This is essential information for any clinician. You don't need to be in pain to benefit because we can use it to improve your comfort, performance and reduce your injury risk. So if you want to perform better, have less pain, not have to worry about pain relief, avoid having to modify your training plan, and you want to be treated the same way as elite athletes are, then please get in touch and arrange a gait analysis assessment at Optimal Physio. We look forward to hearing from you.